Starting off with one of the most powerful tools on our list is one of the most incredible electric tools for professionals. It's a true workhorse, combining remarkable power and exceptional versatility in a single tool. Its interchangeable heads provide a seamless transition between various functions, transforming it effortlessly from a robust reciprocating saw to a precise right-angle drill and a high-performing impact driver. This adaptability makes it an invaluable addition to any toolbox, as it eliminates the need to carry around multiple heavy tools, reducing fatigue and improving overall efficiency. It can easily tackle many tasks, making it one of the most cutting-edge tools for efficiency. Despite so many features, it just weighs 2 kilograms and comes at a modest price of $99. Moving on, we have some of the most amazing tools on our list that aim to ease any worker's job, so make sure you keep watching. The WAL-BOARD Tools Pro Quick Load Drywall Taper is a specialized tool designed to streamline and simplify applying joint compound and tape to drywall seams. The WAL-BOARD Drywall Banjo Taper is made with high-quality aluminum and a wooden handle. The quick load feature allows for swift loading of joint tape and compound, saving valuable time during taping. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use. This tool is a must-have if you work in the drywall installation industry. It comes at a price of $95. Car dents can be tough to eliminate, and sometimes you wish there was an easier way. Well, now we have one showing up right now. This amazing tool helps you get rid of the toughest dents and other imperfections from your car's body without any hassle. It uses compressed air to create a vacuum at the bottom, where the base sticks to the floor. A hook is placed on the car which can pull up to 250 kilograms. The height is fully adjustable, allowing technicians to get the exact angle alignment to remove the repair damage. It utilizes built-in rear wheels for easy relocation within the collision repair facility. No need for anchoring to floor pots or moving the vehicle to a frame rack to perform a quick dent pull. There's a reason Porsche and Ford have already purchased this tool. You can get one for only $840. Our next tool excites anyone working in the tiling industry, as its precision is quite something. Anyone who works in the tiling industry would know how much of a hassle and a problem cutting tile is. This Chinese company seems to have taken care of that, as this manual tile cutter saves you time and provides precise cuts without any noise or dust. The setup consists of a ruler, a laser guide, and a steel cutter, which cuts materials ranging from 6 to 15 millimeters in thickness and 80 centimeters in width. This tool can be easily assembled and disassembled, making it easier to carry around. And the best part of it is its economical price, which stands at anywhere between $150 and $200. So many professional tools. How about a tool that professionals and DIY enthusiasts would cherish and love to own? The Tolson Hand Riveter is a manual tool designed for fastening rivets securely in various materials. Riveters are commonly used in construction, automotive, metalworking, and DIY projects, where a permanent and strong joint is needed. It has a powder-coated aluminum alloy body and features an ergonomic handle with comfortable TPR grips. It can support diameters measuring from 2.4 to 6.4 millimeters. It's suitable for aluminum, stainless steel, and steel rivets, and comes at a modest price of $126. Moving on, we still have some fascinating tools to come, as we have some amazing hammers which drastically reduce the shock effect. A revolutionary construction technology, the Clip Fix was introduced in 2012 by Rhines Inc. It's an automatic screwdriver that's designed for securely fastening for standing seam systems. The system consists of stainless steel fixing clips, corrosion-proof screws, 2 batteries. The system can be fixed easily thanks to a metal plate on which the screws are fastened. It's a patented technology that's very easy to handle. Even a random person can use it. This technology ensures fast installation, using fewer clips than any other system. The manufacturers have not disclosed the price yet on their website. Next up, we have an amazing smart gadget that everyone would love to have in their garage or workstations. This is an innovative, convenient tool designed by Milwaukee to enhance the efficiency and safety of concrete drilling and cutting tasks. With its wireless remote control feature, operators can conveniently start or stop the dust extraction system without being tethered to the tool, providing greater freedom and flexibility during operation. You no longer need to operate the switch manually, as it's now possible with just a remote controller. It's suitable for shared working environments with the option to pair multiple remotes to the same adapter. This incredible system is available for $120. We have another construction tool coming up that would delight every worker out there. This is a specialized tool used in construction and siding industry for installing siding panels with precision and ease. It's designed to ensure consistent spacing and alignment of siding materials, resulting in professional and polished finish for vertical and horizontal applications. The manufacturer ensures compatibility with a wide range of options, including fiber cement, thanks to its overlapping mounting and clamping thickness range of 8 to 13 millimeters. The set also allows you to work with sidings up to 5 meters and is very easy to operate, thus reducing the working time and simplifying the process. This setup comes for $75. We have another fastener coming up, which will be a favorite for decking professionals. Camo has developed this incredible stand-up fastening tool for every application, making the process faster and more efficient than traditional methods. The tool can be attached to a drill and used by one hand, and it can comfortably fasten groove decking while standing, thus reducing the strain on your back. The ergonomic tool features a height-adjustable handle, making it a perfect fit for the whole crew. The tool is lightweight, quick to assemble, and has a 1-year warranty. This incredible tool is available for $120. We still have some awesome construction tools to come, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. Developed by Hilti, this powerful cordless hammer is an ideal tool for drilling in concrete and masonry, especially in downward-facing working positions. The tool combines rotary drilling with hammering action, making it highly effective for drilling into tough materials like concrete. This feature is particularly valuable for construction and renovation projects. The tool features an ergonomic design, including a comfortable grip and balanced weight distribution to reduce operator fatigue during extended use. You can even drill into metal and wood, which justifies its price tag of $614. As we move down to the top 5 tools on our list, we've saved the best of the lot till the very end. Coming from Japan, this is a powerful and efficient tool designed for mixing various construction materials, particularly mud and mortar. The mud mixer is equipped with a brushless motor which provides increased power, longer runtime, and improved overall efficiency compared to brushed motors. The tool may offer variable speed control, allowing users to adjust the mixing speed, with a top speed of 800 RPM. The mixer is designed for comfortable use thanks to its 2 handles on top. You can purchase the charger and battery separately from the tool, as pricing starts from $200. Next up, we have a tool that can be incredibly helpful in the piping industry. Sea-snake cameras are widely used by professionals, including plumbers, contractors, and inspectors, to perform visual inspections of pipes, drains, and other hard-to-reach areas. It's equipped with a high-resolution camera and powerful LED lights, providing clear and detailed images of the interior of pipes and drains. It's also designed to undergo 90-degree bends, allowing it to reach the toughest of areas. Beyond that, it features a self-leveling camera head, which helps maintain a proper orientation of the camera image. The only downside of this cool tool is its price, which is $9,000. Our next tool will excite professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, so let's get into it. One of the biggest problems when cutting a circular pipe is finding support. This tool does it. Made in Australia, this fully adjustable roller boasts a huge height range of 60mm to 150mm, making it compatible with all portable bandsaws and drop saws. This portable roller is perfect for any cutting job on site, whether it's for construction, remodeling, or DIY projects. The tool is easy to use and can be very convenient in the long run, coming in at $70. Coming down to the last 2 gadgets on our list today, we still have a revolutionary hammer coming up. This sander is a handy and efficient tool designed for sanding surfaces while minimizing dust and debris. It's commonly used in renovation and construction projects to achieve smooth and even finished walls, ceilings, and other surfaces. With its 9-inch sanding surface, the tool covers a wider area, allowing for faster and more efficient sanding. The sander features an ergonomic design including comfortable grip to reduce user fatigue. It removes 99% of the accumulated dust and has a separate storage bag. All of this comes at a price of $100. Coming down to this revolutionary hammer, This innovative technology is engineered to reduce the impact of vibrations and shocks that can result from repetitive hammering, which helps to minimize strain and fatigue on the user's hand, wrist, and arm during extended use. The hammer has a large striking face and comes in two versions of 567 and 680 gram heads, featuring a 31 centimeter long handle. The hammer also comes with a lifetime warranty and just costs $17. As we come to the end of our incredible tools, remember to stay cool and stay curious. Until then, happy tooling!